guys, welcome back to my channel. Madam Excellence here. Happy holidays to every one of you. So today I'll be showing you how to make fried rice, beginners friendly, step by step, how to make Nigerian fried rice. You see how delicious and good looking this fried rice is? I will show you how. Stick around and watch this video to the end. So first of all, we are going to be using onions as well as shrimps. Yes, all the shrimps. Yes. And then we are using chicken hearts and liver. It's already cooked. And then crushed ginger and garlic, as well as chopped Thai chili peppers. Not too much. You see how little it is, just 3. And then spring onions. And then these are our spices: salt, pepper, thyme, curry, onions, parsley, and basil. Onion powder, rather. And then mixed vegetables. These are frozen ones. I already detoured it for about 2 minutes in the microwave, sorry. And then I'm going ahead right now. I'm mixing my spices all up, all the spices I'll be using. And then just a little bit, just a spoon, use it, and I will be using it to marinate this mixed vegetables. We don't want tasteless, bland vegetables. So first of all, we're just going to carefully marinate this mixed vegetables like so. And then up next, we are going to take a spoonful again and marinate cooked chicken hearts and liver. You can use gizzard as well. And then we're just going to give it a quick stir like so. And then up next, we are just going to marinate our shrimps. Yes, a spoonful as well. Give it a quick stir and set it aside. If you're new, you are welcome. Hit the like button, subscribe. If you're returning, I appreciate you. So when we're done marinating all those in an empty pot, we are just going to put oil and then fry our onions. Let it sweat a little bit. Yes, we're going to fry it. This is so delicious. This is what I prepared for Christmas. You can prepare it right now. You can make it for New Year's. You can make it any time of the year you want. Detailed fried rice. And then when the onions is sweat a little bit, we are going to be pouring in our rice. This is washed raw rice. It's parboiled washed rice. This is just me cooking it for the first time. Then stir your rice. Give it a quick stir for about a minute or 2 with the onions. It's just going to give it a nice flavor. It smells so good already. And then we're going to be pouring in our spices, the remaining of those spices that I showed you earlier. Yes, we are going to pour it in like so and stir it up a little bit. This is going to be so delicious, guys. Super delicious. Super, super, super delicious. And then when you're done stirring, we are going to go in and pour in our chicken stock. Whatever you're using for your fried rice, pour in the stock. And guys, be careful with the water, the stock water, the chicken stock. Just be careful. Let it just sit slightly above your rice, slightly above your rice, because we want this rice to come out crispy. We don't want it soggy. Look at how it looks. That's how the stock should be, just slightly above the rice to cook it perfectly, but yet still crispy. And then we're going to just cover it till the rice is completely cooked. And before we cover it, we're going to put salt to taste. And then you see the rice is cooked. The water is dried. And then we're going to set it aside. And then in a pan, put in your oil. And then we're going to begin frying. First of all, we are frying up our shrimps. This should be just a minute or a minute and a half max, because we don't want our shrimps to be rubbery, right? We just want it to be nice and edible, not chewy, but just nice. Just a minute and a half, it's okay. And then give it a good stir. That shrimp smells so good. Take it out and then another set of oil. Then we're going to pour in our chicken liver and gizzards and hearts. Give it a good stir like so. It smells so good. It's going to be so loaded. This fried rice rather. Why am I thinking of jollof rice? What? This fried rice will be so delicious, guys. So delicious. Give it a good stir for about 2 minutes. Take it out. Oil again in a pan. And then we are going to be frying up our crushed ginger and garlic. This is just going to elevate the fried rice. And just give it a good stir for about a minute. We don't want it burnt, because if it's burnt, it's going to be bitter. And then when you're done, we are going to pour in our mixed veg, our seasoned mixed veg. And we're just going to give it a good stir. Pour it all in. Give it a good stir. Let it soak up all that juiciness. Look at how that looks. It's so bright and colorful. Our fried rice is going to look so colorful and delicious and spicy and tasty. Give it a good stir. If you haven't subscribed, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe. And then up next, we are going to be putting in our Thai chili pepper. Just a little bit, just to give it a little heat, not too much. Give it a good stir. And then we're going to begin layering our ingredients. Go in and put in your fried liver and hearts and gizzards. Give it a good stir. Like so. And then while you're stirring it up, I just wanted to show you guys step by step how we make fried rice. Step by step. No rush here, no rush. And then carefully scoop out your rice, already cooked rice, in batches, in bits. 1 plate at a time. Pour it in and stir. When you're done stirring, pour another plate and stir. So that everywhere the spices, the veggies are all incorporated into the rice. You understand? You get. Just keep stirring. Pour in a plate and stir. Pour in a plate and stir. It's called fried rice for a reason. And then pour it again and stir. This is how I cook it. And this finishes one day. In a day, it's done. Because it's so delicious. It's so nice. Give it a good stir. Like so. Thank you guys for watching to this point. I appreciate you. Please keep watching to the end. Keep watching to the end. Like and share and subscribe if you're new. I would bring you delicious food. Delicious food. Trust me. And then when you're done stirring, now we're going to pour in our shrimps. Shrimps come in almost last because we don't want it to be cooked. We don't want it to be rubbery. We don't want it to be overcooked. Then look at those shrimps. Look at the shrimps. Give it a good stir. Immediately you put in the shrimps, get ready to turn off the stove because we don't want it to keep cooking, right? Give it a good stir. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Give it a good stir. Like so. It's so vibrant. I love the color. I love the color. Just give it a good stir like so. And then we're just gonna go in now and put in our spring onions. Just to give it another layer of flavor. Another layer of flavor. Put in your spring onions. And then we're going to put in our sweet onions. And then you remember the stove is off. Then stir it all up. And then it's ready to be served. It's ready to be served. We are done. We are done. It was easy. I mean, it's not really that easy to prep everything, but if you take your time, trust me, you won't regret it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching to the end. I really appreciate every one of you. Thank you so much. And I'll see you in my next video. Just enjoy me stirring the food. Enjoy everything that you see here. And recreate this and just tell me, share with me how it went. Just make this for your family. If you're cooking for an occasion, this is step by step, detailed, beginners friendly. That's it. Thank you, guys. Thank you. And happy holidays. Merry Christmas to you and your loved ones. Happy holidays to you and a happy new year in advance. Thank you so much. See you guys in the next video. Bye.